Sometimes the heart gets really tired. It feels like you can't go on anymore, like everything is falling apart. But then, there's that one silent moment when your patience speaks without a voice. Allah hears your silence, the silence no one else can hear. Allah sees the tears you never let anyone else see. And He knows how many times you thought of giving up, but still, you chose to be patient. Always remember, Allah is always with you, even when you feel completely alone. Your patience today will become your strength tomorrow, so never lose hope. Just endure with faith and strength, because those who are patient never return empty-handed. Allah is holding on to every pain, every prayer, every tear, every moment of waiting. And one day, He will give you a happiness far greater than you ever imagined.